In this video I'll show you how to use WordPress env to WordPress plugin development. Hello, my name is Maxim Marko. Let's create some WordPress plugin. So, if you go to the official documentation of WordPress env, you can find lots of information about this amazing tool, but I won't be overview all these features and show you the fastest and the easiest way to create your environment and start your development. Before we start, you need to download to your PC and install Docker, Node.js and Git. There are lots of information about the installation and settings in the internet. You can go to YouTube and find lots of information, many videos, and I won't be stop on this step right now. Let's close these websites. Then this website we will be using to generating our starter kit, WordPress plugin starter kit, and we will back to this website in a minute. Then I created a folder on my local PC, and this folder will be using for our environment. Here is one file, wp-env.json, which contains some rules for our development environment. There are several variables that we need to add to this file to start our development. So this mappings variable make our wp-env create a folder and store our plugins and themes in this folder. Then themes variable contains the theme that will be using by default on our test website, and there are several more variables that obviously help us debug our plugin when we have some troubles on it. Then, before we start, we need to run this command. I've already run this command and won't be doing this to make this video faster. But this command installs WordPress env globally. After that, you can use wp-env start in any folder on your PC. After that, we can use our main command, and let's do it right now. In our folder, in our empty folder, we will be running the command wp start to download all necessary stuff and generate some folders in it. After that, we have localhost URL. We can visit our test website, and in several seconds you will have this default WordPress installation. Now let's go to the WordPress plugin itself. Go to wp-pgnext website and generate your WordPress plugin starter kit. And click generate plugin button. In several seconds all the folders and files will be generated for us, and we can download this plugin to our PC. Then we can close this website and can go to our test website. In this case, we cannot upload the file directly from our admin panel, and we need to move our files to our environment. So let's go here, create plugins folder, And after that we can simply unzip our new plugin to plugins folder. Okay, great. Then go back to our admin panel, go to plugins page, and now you can see our plugin here. Before activation, as usually, we need to go to the VS Code and run one more command. This command will generate auto-loading files, and we can use namespaces inside our plugin. So now we can activate our plugin, and yes, great. Plugin activated successfully, and as you can see, all the features of WordPress plugin generator working well, and here you can use all this stuff inside WP environment. As you can see, there is only one folder, WP content. There isn't WP includes, WP admin, and lots of files. That's because we are using this environment from Docker, and we don't need these folders and files for our development. And let me show one more thing. For example, go to main file, and let's make some issue, some error, to understand how the debugging works here. I'm running for each with undefined variables, and let's refresh the page. Yes, we have an issue here, and then we can go to WP content, debug log, and here you can find all the information about your troubles in your plugins, in your plugin, and fix it. So that's it I wanted to show you today. Thank you for the watching. Have a nice day.